welcome today in front of me Realme GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and here go to the sounds and vibration section. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you can see your ringtone sound. It's Realme right now. If you want, you can select your new ringtone sound from your files on your device, or from your recordings, or also from the default ones. Just for example, I'll go in with the classic one, and now just go back, and here you can see the changes that your ringtone volume has changed successfully to the classic one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.